Sonu Sood, emerged as a masiha for many when he helped thousands of migrant workers by providing them with food and transportation to reach their homes. His constant efforts to reach out to needy and help them generously won him appreciation and love all across the country. At the time government efforts were falling short, he began his Ghar Bhejo initiative, wherein he sent thousands of migrant workers from Mumbai to their homes in various states. He also launched a toll-free number where migrants could call and ask for help. From arranging buses and food to providing tickets on his expense, he made sure every single migrant reaches home. He extended his support to nearly 400 families who died or got injured while traveling by transferring the funds directly into their account. Apart from helping migrant workers, he promised to take the responsibility of 3 orphans who lost their parents in this pandemic. In contribution to Maharashtra Police, he donated 25,000 face shield to police personnel. He got ear on Indian students struck in Kyrgyzstan and arranged chartered flights for them. A video on internet gone viral, wherein a farmer was seen plugging the land with 2 of his daughters carrying the yoke on their shoulders. In his instant reaction, Sood promised a tractor to farmer's family. A story of an Hyderabad techie who lost her job was seen selling vegetables reached to him. In reaction to this, Sood sent a team to her, interviewed her and offered her a job. An incident in Pune came up wherein an 85-year-old woman was seen showcasing her martial arts skills. In reaction to this, Sood showed interest in opening martial arts school under her guidance. Recently on his birthday, he came up with the idea of Pravasi Rozgar app to help out migrant workers find suitable jobs amid the pandemic. According to the website, there are 450 employers already on board and 1 lakh job opportunities since its launch. This initiative by him will surely provide some relief to migrants and their families. Apart from helping migrant workers, he helped the farmers who got affected in Bihar and Assam floods, provided ICU beds, provided chartered flights, promised to build a home for orphans and a widow, and did every single thing he can. For his such a humble and helping nature towards the stranded migrants and others, he earned a whole lot of love and respect all over the social media. In this hard time of COVID-19 crisis, he surely emerged as a vaccine for many.